Good afternoon, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm here today over in Peel Green on Alexandra Road with this exceptional 4-bedroom semi-detached property. So laid over 3 floors. As you can see, you've got your entrance porch as we come in. 4 fantastic size double bedrooms, a fabulous open plan lounge and dining space, lovely bay front, extended kitchen dining area. Out to the rear, a lovely low maintenance rear garden with artificial lawn. You've got an incredible summer house with a log burner. As you can see, a fabulous, spacious family home. So we've just come through the entrance hallway into the dining space. Just behind me now, that spacious family lounge. Obviously, you've got the options there to separate the two or keep it as is, all open plan. And then on into this incredible kitchen dining space, flooded with natural light. So you've got your French doors here and directly ahead of us as well. Plenty of storage and work surface space. The 5-ring gas hob, storage beneath the stairs, space for your American style fridge freezer, and then all of this storage. Continuation, so we've knocked through what will probably have been the coal house. Got a lovely little craft area here, and then this now takes us out onto the rear garden. So you do have gated side access back to the front. Once again, low maintenance Indian stone. You've got this raised decked seating area, external power, lovely artificial lawn with your raised planters. Just decorative stone in there. You do also get the sun out the back all day long. And then on in to this incredible summer house. Nice and spacious, obviously lovely and warm with that log burner in place. As you can see there, the loft has been done, so that's your 4th bedroom occupying the full loft, all done to regulations, giving you that 4th double bedroom, gated access out back to the front. On Alexandra Road, so you've got loads of amenities, dead close to local schools, both primary and secondary, St Pat's being your closest, obviously one of the most desirable schools in the area. Probably got Godfrey Eamon and Beach Street quite an equal distance to one another, and you've got the playing fields and Godfrey Eamon Park just on the next street. So we're now on the 1st floor. This through here is the smallest of all the doubles. Really generous size. Fitted wardrobes in place, overlooking the rear garden. An incredible box room. 3-piece family bathroom just to my right. Tub sat perfectly beneath the window there. Your vanity unit for additional storage. And then on through to bedroom 2. Once again, a lovely shape and size, and equally looks over the rear garden. Now continuing down the hallway into what will have been the original master bedroom. Excellent storage. Plenty of space to navigate around that king size bed also. And then lastly, heading up now to the 2nd floor with this incredible addition to this lovely family home. Look at the size of this room. Windows to the front and rear, plenty of storage, all fitted in. Don't think there's anything more you could want from a family home. Now we are perfectly located in regards to transport links, with Liverpool Road just being at the top of the road, Trafford Centre literally 10-15 minute walk from where we are. And you are surrounded by motorway links also. So if you're interested in coming along and taking a viewing, please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.